Today I'd like to tell you a little bit more about a new feature I'm introducing in the next version of PHP Monitor. And it's a really kind of cool one that I'm not sure many of you will need, but some of you will really appreciate. So let's take a look. So PHP Monitor is going to come with a new feature that allows you to apply configuration presets. So if you're like me, sometimes you have a bunch of settings that are scattered in different INI files for your installation. So for example, I may want to enable some stuff in this php.ini file, some stuff in this file, some stuff in this file, and for different projects, I have different requirements, different memory limits, different extensions, different everything really. Maybe even the way errors are reported, or configuration values in .ini files, etc. So the demo here, I've added a presets section to the phpmon.conf.json file, which is a thing you can make yourself and customize which apps are detected for the site list, but also now for presets. So we can say, hey, here's a preset called default PHP, which disables xdebug, the extension, and sets these configuration values, right, which is very helpful. And then for my personal site, as an example, I know that I will need xdebug, and that I will need it to have a certain mode, as well as an increased amount of memory for my memory limits and upload size and post size. Now, if I had to apply these, I would have to go manually find the INI files and then modify these one by one. Now with presets, I no longer need to do that, and I can just apply them. So let me demo that real quick. So over here, right now, our memory limits are 512, right? And xdebug is enabled. I'm pretty much on my personal site configuration right now. It's not an exact match, but it is pretty much that. Now, if I switch to default PHP, it's going to apply all of the things that we've set here. It's not going to modify anything else. It's just going to modify these, right? So if I now hit default PHP, it's going to process those values. And sure enough, here's my memory limits, and xdebug has been disabled. So this is an incredibly helpful feature, right? So again, and I can go take a look at the memory limits here. This file's been updated, xdebug extension's been disabled, right? And now I'm like, okay, well, I want to go back to this personal site configuration, and right away you see the extension pop and the configuration values toggle. So that's that. And that's coming in the next version of PHP Monitor. I hope you all enjoy.